way. Young nigga way out of state. Fucked up, getting over pain. Look how far niggas came. You remember I ain't have a thing. Fucked up, walking through the red. Cause they can't fuck fed. On the leg. Head check. On the leg.
What's up, my J Dots and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this beautiful burgundy red type of color, just keep watching. So for this video, we're gonna hop straight into it. I'm using the magenta and red, so I used two magentas, and this is a old wig. It's the Shein wig I did like maybe 2 months ago, and I just want to see if the wig will take, you know, the dye well. So I'm using a 40 developer, and I'm just gonna mix it. So I am not using any type of bleach, so I did not use a bleach bath for this. This is on 1B hair, so yeah. I'm just going to be doing this process throughout the whole hair, and I just take like thin pieces so that it can get through the hair easily, because if you do big pieces it might not saturate as well. And I also comb through it. You won't see it in the video, but I comb through it at the very end. So depending on the color you want, you can leave this in for an hour up to a day. I did a day because I really wanted this color to be bright, but once I washed it after the day, it wasn't as bright as I wanted, so I just went right back in with the same process. I used 2 reds the second time. So the first time I used 2 magentas and 1 red, and then the second time I used 2 reds because I was just like, maybe the magenta is giving the burgundy, so I'm just gonna go in with the red. And I do say for a Shein wig, this wig did really good, because the process of me doing it 2 times and dyeing it 2 times, this did really well, and it is so silky and soft. It's not brittle. So after I, did all this coloring to it, I did go up with a, very moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. And I also used a shampoo for like colored hairs. And I just want y'all to take a moment to look at how nappy this front part is. And girl, I just had to get myself together, because this wig, it was very tangled at the top, y'all. Like, look at this. But it all came out good at the end. You'll see how silky this hair is. It didn't tangle when I was washing it. I don't know what was going on right here. I guess maybe the process of me putting on the dye made it tangle. But yeah, I just had to get it straightened out, y'all. And as y'all can see right here, I'm telling y'all to leave it on for like 2 to 3 hours. Girl, I went back and checked that wig after 2 to 3 hours, and it was not ready. So I did a day, and like I said, I went right back in and did the process again. And after the 2 processes, this is the color that came out. It's really pretty. So now we're just going to begin installing my wig like I do normally. So yeah. this is the wig, and this is like 2 days old. I filmed the install yesterday, so right now I'm just about to flat iron it. And yeah, I put some layers in it. I don't think I filmed that in the video, but I did put some layers in it, and it looks more healthier than it did before, with the Shein wig. And yes, this is the same Shein wig that I did in December. So yeah, I'm just about to flat iron it, get myself together, because this wig is bomb. And this is the color up close. It's like a dark burgundy. I use 3 reds and I use 2 magentas. I really wish it was like this type of red, like a really bright red, but it's okay. I'll probably do it like another time. But yeah, I'm just about to, flat iron this hair. It's super soft still. It's not damaged. I thought, like I said, it was gonna become damaged because it is a Shein wig, but girl, no, we still here with it. Like, the wig is still giving. It looks way more healthier when I cut it. Like, it looks just bomb. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.